Common car question. How often should you replace your windshield wipers? Pretty straightforward, right? Well, maybe not. They are made of rubber. You probably knew that, right? And they degrade over time as they scrape across the glass. Now, they're not just responsible for wiping away rain, water, but bugs, dirt, dust, grime, which can shorten their lifespan. Typically, you should replace them, they say, every 6 to 12 months. But signs that they need to be replaced sooner are the following. They leave streaks when they're in action. They lift up from the glass. They shudder across your glass when they go, kind of skipping across. And the rubber may have a split. If it has a split, obviously change it up. The most experienced mechanics can change them out in 5, 10, 15 minutes, no problem. It's worth it to have clear visibility. Here's an example of what I'm talking about.
So I recently purchased these premium all-season windshield wiper blades on Amazon from the company Modium. There are a lot of sizes to choose from. I got the 22-inch J-hooks for my Ford F-150. Sizes range between 13 and 28, so there's a good chance it'll fit your vehicle. These come with a 1-year warranty, solid quality at a low price. It has a frameless one-piece rubber blade design, which is pretty cool, with one connector for a fast and easy installation process. It perfectly conforms to my windshield curve. It will yours as well. Its aerodynamic shape essentially eliminates the collection of debris around the blade. It's smooth, it's quiet, clean, and smear-free. I like the fact that these have been tested to deliver high quality performance in all weather conditions, whether it's sun, rain, snow, or wind, giving me and you a clear field of view through your windshield when you're driving. So if you're looking for a premium high quality windshield wiper product that's both weather resistant, durable, long lasting, then check out Modium.
Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.